For those of you who are new here, my name is Beth, and this YouTube channel is dedicated to the renovation and restoration of my house that I bought a year and a half ago. The house is 150 years old, and this video is the video I've been wanting to make the longest. This video is something that I'm so incredibly proud to make because before I was a homeowner, when I was kind of struggling, let's say, financially, emotionally, I watched a lot of YouTube videos, specifically women who were renovating, and really got into the before and afters, and just the fact that these women who maybe didn't know much about renovations could take on projects like this. And I started to think, this is something I really want to do. So then the next thing I did was I got a bit of a financial education, and I sought out lots of different resources, specifically teaching finance to women, Financial Feminist, Dow Janes, things like that, that had free services, podcasts, free webinars, books, blogs, that kind of stuff. Tiffany Aliche was one of them. And I started to just get better at money. And so I didn't get rich or anything miraculously overnight, but I just learned how to use money strategically to my advantage to take on a project like this. I owe a huge thank you to all of the YouTube creators out there, specifically the women creating content about renovations and building and carpentry. And not to exclude men, but it is a space that has been traditionally sort of male dominated. And so yeah, I just want to thank Tia Weston, Jenna Phipps, lots of other wonderful YouTube creators for creating that content that inspired me in the first place. And the very last thing I want to say is I learned a new term today from a YouTuber called positive delusion. And it speaks to not really knowing something, but believing that you do, or believing that you can. Not in a weird narcissistic way, like, oh, I know everything about that even though I just learned one thing. No, not like that. More like, I don't know how to do this, but I believe that I know how to problem solve, and I will problem solve each little and big problem as I go. I don't know how to do this, but I'm going to learn, and I can learn, and watch me go. So yeah, delusional, but positive at the same time. And guess what? Out. I mean, just look at this house. I'm so pleased today to be able to show you this before and after of the entire house. And I'm not really going to show you the in-between. This isn't about all that drywall or floor sanding or painting or anything like that. This is just about what it looked like before and what it looks like now. It's like pure magic, right? But if you want to know about all the hard work that happened in between those two things, you can certainly look back on all of these videos because it's all there. The whole thing is documented. So once again, thank you for watching. Please enjoy.